This video shows you how to replace the imaging kit of your printer. Open door A. Open door B. And then remove the right cover. Remove the toner cartridges. Remove the waste toner bottle. To avoid spilling the toner, place the waste toner bottle in an upright position. Remove the used imaging kit. Note: the imaging kit can be either a black imaging kit or a black and color imaging kit. Unpack the new imaging kit. To avoid print quality problems, do not touch the photoconductor drum, and do not expose it to light. Insert the new imaging kit until it is fully seated. Insert the waste toner bottle. Attach the right cover. And then insert the toner cartridges. Close door B, and then close door A.